Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Jay back at again with the Crimson Camry and just a Camry. So today what we'll be doing is installing a fully real carbon fiber interior, steering wheel, the whole 9 yards, every piece you could think. So all this right here is what we're installing today. You can get all this from King of Carbon Fiber. I'll put it down here, like right here. I'll put links to the description. The steering wheel, just a disclaimer, that did not come from King of Carbon Fiber, but you can get it from them. But that's pretty much it. And then you have the mirror caps M horn one from one of my previous video. It was in gloss black. These are in real carbon fiber. So we're going to do a whole makeover inside the 22 XSC V6 interior. So you see the before. All right. Look at the details. I'm showing you right now. Cause it's gonna look crazy good. So this really isn't a video showing you how to do it. This is really a video showing you the process of it before and after, and maybe even encourage you to go ahead and get it for yourself. So enjoy the journey or the process. So. You got that hole in the next one, right?
Yeah.
This one. All right, we want it to be hot.
That's fine. But yeah, turn it off first. Hold on. Hit that little button on the side. You know what I'm talking about? All right, now take it off.
I don't trust that shit.
Yeah, it comes right off. Pull it.
All right, so in order to get on all these pieces right here that we got, you gotta take off the airbag, you gotta take off the steering wheel. To take off the steering wheel, you gotta get a T55 torque spit. T55 Torx. All right, this is what you're gonna need in order to take off the steering wheel. Yeah. Don't forget that if you mess with that steering wheel, please disconnect your battery. Let it sit for like 5 to 10 minutes. Make sure all the juice is out. You know what I'm saying? All those pieces are gone. We almost done. We get in there. Ooh, I'm not showing y'all too much. Take 2.
Want me to take the wheel? You sure?
Yeah.
I already disconnected.
Everything's disconnected?
What up? I mean, I can hold them.
This showing off.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's in the way.
Be careful, bro. Just take it off right there.
Careful, Smart Pops. Careful. All right, put it on. All right, so this is the finished product of the full carbon fiber decked out interior XSC V6 door inserts. Yes, sir. Let me know what you guys think inside the comments below. Damn, this shit crazy, bro. So nice. So nice. Even this, like, this one's so nice, bro. Thank you guys for all the support, everything that you do. We just hit, at this time of the video where I'm making this video, I think I'm at like 2,200 subscribers, which is freaking insane. Literally a year ago today, I was probably like not even at 100 in April of May of 2021. So yeah, till next time, stay tuned.